Hi traders, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set up the auto pivot indicator and use it effectively both for MT4 and MT5. All right, although I'm going to be explaining from the MT4 platform. So follow the link in the description. You're going to see the link to download the indicator in the description, both the MT4 version and the MT5 version. After you have done that, you proceed to your platform, add the indicator to the indicators folder. Once you have done that, you head back to your MT4 or your MT5 platform, get to the navigator, and you refresh. Okay, after doing that, you just check for the indicator, the auto pivot indicator, drag and drop. Super easy, right? Ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. Then as for your inputs, you can see the customizable settings that are available. You can modify them according to your taste and then click on OK. Now, this is a very easy to use indicator. It's pretty straightforward that it automatically calculates and plots your daily, weekly or monthly pivot levels, right? As you can see, along with support and resistance zones, you can see this is daily resistance 3, resistance 2, resistance 1. Here you have your daily pivots, your daily support 1, support 2, support 3, right? And so on and so forth. You can see we have the weekly pivots and all of that, right? So this indicator helps you to plot your pivot levels and then you trade accordingly. But ensure that you always prioritize good risk management. This indicator does not give you precise buy or sell signals, but it provides valuable information for you to use for your trading strategy. Okay, now if you trade pivots, you can once you get your confirmation, obviously, for example, you have a bullish confirmation and you execute a buy trade, ideally your stop loss should be below the nearest swing low, right? And then you can use the pivot levels for your take profit targets, the resistance pivots, right? You can have the R1 as your TP1, the R2 as your TP2, and the R3 as your TP3. Okay, you want to have several take profit targets. You can actually use the different resistance levels as your different take profit targets. If it is a sell trade that you execute after you get a sell confirmation, you can use the support levels as your different take profit targets. Okay, super easy to use. Now, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now. Click on the notification bell as well so that you do not miss out on more valuable content like this. Okay, in the meantime, thank you for watching and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.